Hey. Okay, well I thought I'd do a lockpicking video today. Here we have the Squire 37CS, CS for closed shackle. It's a medium to high padlock, or at least it's marketed as such. I've had it a very long time. I found it in a toolbox the other day, actually, along with the last lockpicking video I did, which I posted as a short, which was a master lock shackle lock. But yeah, so it's very heavy. It's laminated, medium to high security lock. It's marketed as. That's what it's marketed as. Let's see if it is that. Okay, so to pick this, I will be using the 1mm top of keyway tension hook, which goes, unsurprisingly, in top of the keyway. Then to pick it, I will be using the Lotto Buster from Lawlocks that I've been using for a lot of things lately. So yeah, 4-pin lock, which doesn't sound very high security to me, but I'm always willing to be proven wrong, shall we say. So, without further ado, let's give it a go. Oh. Okay, well then, it's not a 4-pin lock, is it? It's a 2-pin lock. Now, I don't know why they call locks like this high to medium security. Okay, you're not going to be able to chop through it easily with bolt cutters, or saw through it easily with a saw. But if somebody wants in and they can pick locks, you ain't going to stop them with this. This is not a good lock, and it's not a cheap lock either. I did see one of these online. I can't swear that it's the same exact model, but I saw one for over £30, which is not good. So yes, if they think 4 pins is a high security lock, it is not. Even though you can't cut through it easily, it's not high security in my view. If anybody wants to get into it and happens to be able to pick a lock. Okay, well, that has been today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, or found it interesting, or whatever. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I shall speak to you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.